Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the Hitani I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
That video is so rude. Girlfriend allowance, yeah.
But 50K.
But the 50K dating for a lot of things.
Yes, but not all of it.
I do.
No, Lisa, you cannot use the 50K.
A chunk was gonna go to rent and Shigally can be.
Let's not even talk about the rent again.
If a man comes into your life and makes your life easier, so you sort out net rent, and then you get changed
the first 50K. This just 50K.
I'm very generous. I'm very generous. I'm extremely generous. I'm very generous. So yes.
And then I'm going to 20%.
So
why is it playing a mali omuntu ongekho? But I blame you. This time around, I always blame the gents when it comes to, but this time.
Yeah, no, it is my fault. I take full accountability.
It's your fault, in fact.
Yo.
Yes.
It's fine. It's over. Girlfriend allowance.
It will take time.
I know.
It will take time.
Because if you fika be la type generous apina be type yam.
Yeah.
Because the fika generous but if I say type yam still
kuzoba nenkinga. It's not even gonna last.
It's not even gonna start.
Uyabona ke. It might start though mangafika ne 50K in front.
No.
Angeke uzuyale.
If I was on the 50K in front?
Yeah, athi nje nansi.
Hayi suka I would.
Uthi no?
Yes. I've done that.
I believe you. Hayi. Okay, hayi.
Kodwa mkhulu nasiso sikhulu ozosinika 50K sizayithatha.
Imali ka government. Yazi wathi awasebenza kulawa poster bonke banesenja. Na abantu badlula bona. Those business.
Hi guys. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
We are good.
My name is Lisa, okay? I'm from CMTV. Are you guys a couple?
Yes.
Okay. Listen, I go around just asking couples a couple of questions. Would you guys be willing? It's just like a couples quiz.
No problem.
No problem?
Yeah.
Okay, sir?
Julius.
It's not a problem?
No.
Okay, please can you just go this side? Sir, you look nervous.
Yes, we are.
You don't look nervous, he looks nervous.
Unjini.
Oh, he's a shy nigga. Okay. That's good, girl. You're lucky, actually. Miss on my left, please.
Okay.
No, sir, on my right, please.
Stand aside.
Okay, name? Name?
My name is Julia.
Julia and?
James.
James.
Yes.
James, how long have you been with the beautiful Julia?
6 months.
6 months?
Yes.
Still going strong?
I'll answer goes again.
Relationship is a mandi.
Yeah, that's a rich. That's a right.
Okay. Would you say the same, my Scott?
Yes. Sasemnandi shamuntwam. Sando sound.
And have you been dating exactly for 6 months? Or it started as a talking stage first?
It's been 6 months. Yeah. Sisazana, getting to know each other, giving each other like a chance to see what's into it.
So during that time, are you guys allowed to date other people?
No.
James?
Siyasehlila la.
Niyasetlisha. James outdate abanye abantu ke in the 6 months. You just exclusive to Julia.
How mina nje no boyfriend wami sazwana kuqala.
Huh?
Sajola mina naye 6 months and simnandi right.
Yes, but awujoli nabanye abantu in the 6 months.
Ngijula nabanye abantu.
Two. Hey, Julia, you're in luck. Okay, I hear you, my scat.
Yes,
You're tired of dating. You're tired of kissing frogs.
I'm tired.
Oh, girl. I don't even blame you.
Sengifuna indoda manje, ngifuna ukuhlala phansi ngibe nomuzi wami.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah.
And then what is it that you like about James?
He's a sweet guy. Uthulile akanamsindo. Hey. Anonomsindo yangihlanyisa.
I agree.
Awu akanamsindo, uthulile, sweet, a gentleman, so loving and he's supportive.
Okay.
He's
Of your
caring.
dreams and
Yeah.
Nice.
Noma ngakakwazi okunye nokunye, but so far nje izinto engizikhethile ngaye. He's a sweet guy.
Nice.
I really like him. And uyabheja again.
We are better, James. Okay, girl, we can see it on you. Uthi imali yendoda uyibona emfazini so.
Represent.
Yes, kahle futhi. Nice. James, uthanda ntoni ngoJulia?
Namthanda ngoba nani uyandithanda. And
That's not a reason. You can't say you uthanda umuntu because uyakuthanda.
uyandithanda sazwana nganomsindo. Uthulile. Umuntu lo benisikhathele yena yabo. So like everything ngifuna kuyancedisa. So everything enifuse ekseni baby kumele emsebenzini imkhaza ngalokho. Lento yokubheja khuluma ngayo but mina nombheji girlfriend wami. Cabanga future naye.
Okay, nice. Okay. Julia, you happy with the reasons that he stated? I'm not. It's like he copied and pasted yours.
Yeah.
But yeah, James.
Yeah.
Ukope reasons zakhe wazinika mina. We're not happy.
Like kanje.
Dithe kuwe uthanda ntoni ngoJulia? Wathi uthanda ezi zinto that she said she likes about you.
Okay.
So, I was co-original izinto oninika zona.
So chazanga enough.
It's not that awuchazanga enough. Ukope uJulia.
Ngikopanga next.
Hayi njani James?
Hayi izinto ayifilayo nazo ke mhlawumbe si
Sizinto zifilayo okay? Must I leave it?
Anisfeel because ikhona into engayi-understand like him. Shuthi mathi niyabheja. Ayiniphathi kahle athi nabantu. Abhejani manje.
Ngiyaxolisa sithando sami angibeka.
Awubheje ke? Awuyiwamnika imali?
Okay, sami angibekanga kahle angazi ke.
Uyakuncedisa
Shuthi okay uyangincedisa ba.
financially ngemali. Ufuna uthini na James?
Shuthi angibekanga kahle ke. Bekumele ngithi nje uyangincedisa noma cha ubaba uyangisiza ngapha nje emalini. Uyanginakekela financially.
Okay. James right xa ithethe lo hlobo.
Ayikho right.
Ayithethe njani ke James?
Aw baby.
But uyanikeza imali angithi?
Niyamnikeza imali. Fayisweni animncedisi. Amnikeza imali ukuthandwa kwami.
Okay, so ufuna thini? Ufuna uthi
Ngibeka kanjani ke babe because ngithi mina okay
Bekumele nitshela ukuthi hayi baby uyenza yonke into nifunayo. Hayi ukuthi maye imali something yabona.
awuyithanda intombazane ethanda imali.
Phela ngithanda imali bengifuna nje ukuchaza ukuthi nje I'm grateful ukuthi financially you are there for me.
Yes.
Manje ngayikhipha ngalo ndlela yokubheja always.
No ndiyayiva. Sorry wethu James siyaxolisa. So, okay my scat. So uyamthemba?
Yes.
And uyamthemba bakakujulela?
Yeah, ngiyamthemba.
Khandiniki inumber like on a out of 10 umthemba kangakanani?
Are we going to ayenza for me? So shuthi le number le for in.
Like
Because ngiyamthemba everything.
Dlamini.
Right.
okay babe like uchaza
Please explain.
10 out of 10
Okay.
ungipha ngaki like indlela ongithemba ngayo ku 10 out of 10 ungipha ngaka ngithi you trust me. So ku 10 out of 10 like from 1 to 10 ungipha how many
Points.
percent or points
For ukuthembakala apha ku
ku 10 nje.
For me ngipha 55%.
55%.
Yeah.
55% James ngu 5 out of 10 ke son.
Yeah.
So we don't trust her. Because I
Quite for
don't
height because
55 kaloku is out of 100%.
Sazwana.
So ku-10, let's say 1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, kamdasukunika 5.
Or 5. Okay.
So 5 to trust you and 5 for disappointment, darling. When I get on a scale of 1 to 10, I can see you hurt. I'm sorry.
Okay. Kamling amuphu 8.
8 out of 10.
Yeah, 8.
Okay.
8.
Leaving 2 for disappointment.
8.
Yes, sis.
Maybe 18 on my.
6. 6.
6. Why 6?
Yeah, it's a food.
6.
You guys don't trust it.
No, I do trust him. Ukuthi nje into ethi saseyintsha, you understand?
No, makes sense.
Kunezinye izinto ezinokwenzakala. So,
Okay.
sisa in that middle of trusting each other.
Makes sense and still getting to know each other.
Yeah, so yeah, 6 it is.
Okay. Okay. James and Julian.
Yeah.
James and Julia, double J. In the sense of show, yes. In the sense of show, ne? You guys switch phones, ne?
Yes.
You change the phone and then you go through each other's WhatsApps. Yabo?
Okay.
You jonga WhatsApp to check if Julia, and then you also check if he's not cheating on you.
No, I don't understand. Why do we have to go there? Like mina nomuntu amsivumelene masihlangana ukuthi iprivacy yakhe eyami yami. So cha.
No. James, wena ufuna uthini?
Yeah, lento isho kanjalo. Asivumelana ukuthi sithintshale amafoni for in because mina nayi siyathembana si right so. Yes, mina ndifuna inkinga manje bambe ifoni yakhe nami naye abambe ifoni yami so ayikho security khona so asibambisani amafoni.
But James, what if yakujolela? Uzoyazi njani if awujonga ifoni yakhe?
But noma ngijolela anganibonisi ukuthi yanjolela.
Come this way, my skirt. As long as angakubonisi, so even if uyajola in secret, it's fine. What if uyajola uyafihla?
It's long afihla, it's long anganibonisi ukuthi.
James Nyani.
Ngiyamthemba umuntu wami.
Yes, Julia, how do you feel? Would you be okay with that if yena ngajola afihla?
I won't be okay.
So
I
then,
won't be okay.
what if he's doing it? What if you're a projector and go or July? How jolly, James? Uzoyazela if I check your phone yakho.
For E.
To check if I would cheat.
Ayikho into ayisengayo. Mina nayi siyazwana siso. Yes. Siyathandana. Anytime masifunana siyatholana. Everything nifuna kuyo uyanipha baby. Unisikhathi nami isikhathi.
Yeah.
Yabona. So for me akumelanga ngibambe ifoni yakhe.
Okay.
Banama security yakhe but kimi anankinga for andifuni ukwahlukana naye because niyamthanda. Yabona.
So Julia, wena uthi into yakho? Uthi into yakho, my girl. Afuna uyicheckishe ifoni yakhe. Uthi yena akafuna uyicheckishe yakho.
Okay, I think because the relationship yethu isaseyintsha, we're still getting to know each other. We deserve ukuthi ngiyibone ifoni yakhe.
So you're changing your mind.
I am changing my ukuthi ngiyibone so bona ukuthi kahle kahle uhambo lwethu luyaphi.
Good idea.
Because manje whatever that we are building akungeke kube mnandi ukuthi like si build on top of lies and stuff.
Exactly.
So ngifuna azi mangabe khona engikwenzayo it's okay.
Okay.
So it will be up to him if uyangishiya or kanjani. Same applies.
Okay. Okay. James Mvile?
Yes.
Ufuna uyijonga ifoni yakho? Uthi mani nikhuphe ifoni ninenze.
Ngibone yakhe eyami uyayibona
Ma kanjani baby wayivuma ukuthi
Hayi James khona into efihlayo?
ayikho nifihla ifonini yakho.
Are you sure? Phela ungafuni kangaka ngale phone.
Isethi ngifuna ukusihlanganisa mina no-girlfriend wami.
Hey, so ikhona into efihlayo ezonihlukanisa.
Ayikho.
But uJulia uthi uyayifuna uyicheckishe ifoni yakho nje na?
Hayi.
Hey, James.
Ngicheck yakhe kuphela ngithi.
What do you mean, Julia?
Okafuni phela ukucheck yami so mina ngivuma ngoba kumele ngicheck yakhe uyena uright.
So ufuna if uyayicheckisha yakho ifoni, wena uzofuna ucheckisha yakhe?
Nami ngizofuna but
Exactly, because this is not going to be fair kaloku Julia. So siqala ngefoni kabani? Decide.
Sicela ngefoni yakho.
Inga yakho baby.
Yo.
Sichana wasisoka simpeza. Ayinkingi.
Okay, swap.
Konto ngifuna ukuyi-check-a.
Julia uzokwazi tu Julia. Because no boza delete. Okay, we'll start with yours. Just thinking the passcode. Thank you. In I get James ne? Just yeah. Go to her WhatsApp ne?
Okay.
Search. What language do you guys type in?
English.
Okay.
Okay.
Type love you.
Not laughing.
You type the whole thing. Type the whole thing. Okay. What do you see? Okay, I don't see anything dodgy. Okay, delete lapho.
Okay.
Okay, type miss you.
Okay.
Okay.
Ngkhona nomboni la.
Bona ntoni ke?
Bono uThabo la.
Okay, go in the conversation. Hey, scroll. Hey. Julia, sibona izinto apha. Who's Thabo?
Thabo umzala wami.
Hey.
Kanjani baby?
Umzala wami.
Kanjani because umbonisi nawazi bonke family yakho mayi kanjani avela
Umzala
ngakho.
ngizohlala kude.
Kuphi?
Kude nje.
Sihlangane kuphi?
Sihlangana nje makunemisebenzi ama ceremonies nje ekhaya.
So uyamkhumbula?
Yes, umzala wami.
Let me see.
Okay.
Close.
But there's flirting here, Julia Anjana.
Flirting like how?
Flirting hearts, babe.
Hayi angiyazi lo nto leyo.
Okay. James, do you want to call Thabo? Simfonela.
Yeah, she's straight from phone.
No, why manje ningifonela?
So that as a confirm what you don't want to confirm.
Baby animazi lo muntu simphazamisa ngayo.
Sizoyikhuluma babe masifike endlini. We'll talk about it.
babe.
Why kumele manje uzothini manje sengimfonisa ngama boyfriends wami manje.
For what?
Ufuna ukungibukisa ngefamily yami manje.
Anomazi lo because wena umbonisi.
Uzomazi.
Sibuze.
No, what if usemsebenzini ubusy uyamphazamisa.
Busy
Ngisho ukuthi ngizokuchazela so istory somfonela kahle mase sifike ekhaya.
Ngitshela yona because asikhulumi
Oh, hi, son. Hi, can I please speak to Thabo?
Thabo speaking.
Sure Thabo.
Sure,
Kahle mfethu. Kaphileka. Kombela uvitisa mfethu. Wamtiva Julia.
Ngiyamazi uJulia umuntu wami ubani wena ongibuza ngayo.
Hawu umuntu wakho? Naye ndesha kuma number leka funa so anla ukuthi swa umhlanganisa yini wena yena.
Angithi ngishilo bafuthi uJulia umuntu wami ekade ngizwana naye wena ubani wena?
Uqale nini ukujoin?
Sesina 1 year sizwana.
1 year.
Yeah.
But angawutshela uthini unomuntu?
Kangishelanga.
So bewucabangani wena?
Ayikho into kumele ngicabanga ngizitholela umuntu wena ubani ozongibuza lento ongibuza yona.
Okay, sure, thank mfethu sokhuluma ke. Thank you. Baby kwenzakalani baby? Baby. Baby. Wenzeni manje? Baby. Hey manje ungilisa nabantu manje uyanishiya ke manje.
You have nothing to say, Julia.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry ini baby.
I'm sorry.
Kunini baby ngifuna ukuhlanganisa ifuture yethu. 6 months ago ukuthanda baby wenza into engaka.
I know
ini baby.
I know.
I know ini baby. I know ini.
Sorry. I'm really sorry.
Mara baby everything the boy funa belingakwenzeli.
Uyangenzela.
So then?
Beshoda ngani?
No, iqiniso ukuthi bengakuthandi. I'm sorry. I
I'm
don't
sorry,
love you.
Ini.
I don't love you. I've never loved you.
Ini
Umdetela ntoni ngoku? Why did you dwell with him? Mali. Yeah.
So boyfriend,
Let-
I seven's boyfriend, so I had to make money.
So he side besides le ngumakhwapheni uJames.
Yes.
Ah.
So manje songiqabanise nomuntu wami manje.
umuntu wakwana anti umuntu wakho mina baby. Sikhulumana kanti mina nawe. Nathini ku?
I know what you said.
So-
I know what we planned, but it
But-
wasn't. It was
baby-
not real. All of it.
Baby,
It
yonke
wasn't real. All of it. It wasn't real.
Yo bethuna.
Ngiyaxolisa for putting you through that. I'm really sorry. Xolisa.
Yo, xolo James, sorry.
Kodwa
So bungamthandi tu.
umoshele ke mina manje umoshele. Mina wami umuntu wazi ngisemsebenzini nje manje. Wazi ukuthi ngisemsebenzini. Tshelile ngathi uzoyikhuluma masifika endlini waqinisa ikhanda lakho ufuna ukuyofonela uThabo.
baby yini ngitshela yona.
So iphelile relationship bungamfuni kakade.
I
Julia.
just liked him and ngithanda necompany yakhe but not like ukuthi besingaba ne serious relationship.
For 6 months.
Yeah, for 6 months.
Yo. James, isicela yakho iphone, my scat. Sorry, but we need to check your phone as well. So uzothini uzomlahla khayivule my scat, open it for me. Do you want to carry on with her? Uzoqhubeka ujwayele naye?
Angazi baby.
Yo. Here. Okay, go to his WhatsApp, ne? Okay. Type love you. Okay.
Mawakhe. Sisi wakhe. Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
It's me.
Okay.
No one else.
Hey, Ngodile Julia. Delete that. At least you already know that. Type babe.
Infoot.
Delete. Type outside.
Infoot.
Yeah. Delete that. Type thank you.
Yimi mawakhe. Mngani wakhe uSibusiso, I know him. Nkosinathi umzala wakhe, I know him.
Yo, hi son. Delete
Yeah.
that. Type akeko.
Mawami.
Mawako.
Yes, my mom.
You can man. What's your mom doing on his phone? So he met your mom.
Yes, I have. He has met my mom.
Besides nigga met your mother.
Yeah.
What about the main?
Naifoot.
So your mother knows that you have 2 boyfriends.
Yeah.
No comment. Delete. Type pregnant.
No one.
Nothing. Okay, delete that. Type morning after pill. After pill? Type pill?
It's me.
Oh, at least, yeah. You guys are being safe. It's fine. Give him back his phone. Hey, so my scat ufuna uthini? Ufuna uhlukana naye?
So bengingacabanga ukuhlukana naye because lento lantshela yona le ukuthi shoda ngemali beyafuna imali everything akusiyiyo benicabanga kuwe ngicabanga ngefuture naye. So for me nindoda lento le yayinzile yenzeka anyway anytime beyamshare
Yeah.
mhle kangakana. So anytime bangayenza
Ngiyanisile. Awukwazi
mina
umthemba.
benomthemba but ayikho into engizoyenza. So for me andifuni kwahlukana naye funa isiqhubeka so
Oh, ufuna uqhubeka?
acima delete amanamba alo ngijita everything le fresh
Okay.
because angeke umunye ngizomdinga kule.
Okay, hey ndakuva my scat. Julia. Ufuna uthini? Uthi delete number zomfana.
Bengicela bheke sikhulume ngayo masifika endlini.
Ngicela udelete inamba babe.
Bengicela sikhulume ngayo masifike ekhaya.
Cela udelete.
Because manje ngifaka ikhanda lami hlangene and ngifila ngathi ngi-under pressure manje. Angazi ukuthi ngenze njani delete engadelete nani ngiyacela.
Okay baby, okay nakuze ke asahlukane right so nehamba. Uzositholela umunye right. Azohambisana impilo yami because into niyenza ku wena awuyifili awucela snacks ngithi delete nami ngisafuna
Thula ungafuna udilisha nawe le namba.
ngisafuna next sala nayo le namba
Ngiyaxolisa baby. Baby ngiyahambisa. Ngiyaxolisa. Please.
Asbayeke son. Oh, so tired.
Oh, let me show I'm tired.
I'm so tired. I always stand like that when I'm tired. I don't know. Oh, I should just do a split. Anyway,
Can you do a split vet?
no, I used to.
You used to.
Yeah, but I did ballet, darling.
What is it, ballet? Lamang.
But I think every young girl has done a ballet.
You like
I stopped in grade 9, I think.
Ibhalele awenza khona nje.
Yes,
Laba file ezicatshulele nje ezi.
yes,
You've done that?
yes, Slums.
Serious? I'm also flex mo.
I'm very flexy.
I don't know.
Yeah, but I can have my knee on my boob the whole night.
Kanje?
No, not like that, but one.
The whole night.
Sometimes on my chin. So my knee can come up to my chin. Dilali.
You lie.
And like at some point my mom thought I was broken. What I? She woke me up in the middle at like 2 a.m. and I was like, ay, Lisa. She's like, Utulala. So I'm very
Flexibility on another level.
yeah, I'm extremely flexible actually. And I can take my leg and bring it behind my neck.
Eh?
Lee knows I've done it on live with Lee.
Seriously?
Yes, I can take my leg and put it behind my neck. I don't know why, but I'm very flexible. I think it's just my body.
You sure you have bones?
Exactly. Because I'm a stiff person. I can't dance or anything, but everything else.
Ukumuva khona into yakho.
That's the thing. I'm lazy. I don't move. But my bones are just. You didn't watch that live?
Oh, this is first time hearing about this.
Everyone who watched that live, everyone who was on that live, it was when we went to the lodge.
I get you guys when you go, you don't invite me. You don't.
Doesn't matter. You should have just watched the damn.
Because you have to get a notification to Uban Ban.
It's live.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You don't invite.
But anyway, Shams.
No, this is gonna be good.
You're so annoying. It's good for bed.
I'm saying that's what I'm saying. It's gonna be good. If you flex,
That's why I get away with being lazy in bed more than everyone else.
Because I don't have time.
Yes. Kids should stop watching the show. Yeah. But I thought everyone could do that.
Not everyone.
Really?
Not everyone.
Okay. Anyway. Awuzofika phaya.
Ushobani. And the day ngifika I'll broadcast.
Awuzofika phaya.
Ngithi SABC 1 the day ngifika.
Choba stinge. That's a wrap from us. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _
Instagram, it's welcome_Dlamini88. Facebook, welcome Dlamini. TikTok, it's welcome Dlamini. Danko siyabonga.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.